Have you ever walked into your backyard only to find dried up leaves and that sinking feeling of, I guess I just don't have a green thumb? I know that feeling all too well. The feeling of wanting the cleanest food source for your children, wanting to cut down on ever-rising grocery bills, but eventually giving up because of a lack of time or limited space. I used to be that person. Everything I planted died, and I forgot to water them over and over again. That was until I discovered the secret that turned a narrow balcony into a 24/7 food production factory that works for me. The secret isn't just traditional farming, it's vertical hydroponics integrated with 3D printing technology in a way you've probably never seen before. Today, I'm taking you beyond conventional limits into the world of vertical farming, where you can build your own garden at home on a budget of just a few thousand baht, yet achieve results that outshine commercial kits costing tens of thousands. Many of you have seen those beautiful, high-priced planting towers on social media. For hydroponics, it is the art of soilless cultivation. The roots come from the Greek words hydro, meaning water, and ponos, meaning labor. Combined, it means letting the water do the work for us. Plants receive nutrients directly through the water, leading to faster growth, space saving, and 100% cleanliness control. This system is perfect for leafy greens and short cycle crops. I recommend beginners start with salad greens like red oak, green cos, or local favorites like morning glory and kale, as they are lightweight and grow quickly. For those wanting to go advanced with chilies or melons, it's possible, but you'll need to ensure your structure can support the weight of the fruit. Why grow your own? Research in Chiang Mai once found that commercial hydroponic vegetables sometimes contain nitrate residues exceeding safety standards in some seasons. But if you grow them yourself, you can switch the system to pure water for the last 3 days before harvest to flush out 100% of the nitrates. Having a home farm isn't just a trend, it's food security, where you control safety at every step. But wait, before you start piling up PVC pipes at home, I have an important warning. The strategy for beginners like us is start small, gain big. Here are the 3 real-world secrets that 3D hydroponics enthusiasts often miss. First, material is life or death. The number one mistake is printing towers with PLA plastic because it's cheap and easy. That is a disaster. PLA cannot withstand the intense tropical sun and becomes brittle. If you don't want your tower to collapse, use PETG. It's durable and safe for general use. For engineering-grade plastic like ASA, it offers ultimate UV resistance, but it releases toxic fumes during printing. I recommend ordering from a professional 3D printing service with proper ventilation systems. It's safer and more practical. Second, hybrid design strategy. You don't need to buy a 3D printer and print 100% of everything, which wastes electricity. The smartest and most economical way is the hybrid strategy. Use standard white PVC pipes from any hardware store as the main structure, then only purchase or print the specialized 3D printed joints or net pots designed to increase oxygen to the roots. The heart, called the water pump. Beginners often look only at the flow rate, GPH, but in a vertical system, the most critical value is the head height, the actual height the pump can push water up. If your tower is 2 meters tall, but your pump only reaches 1.5 meters, the water will never reach the top. Also, ensure all plastics and pipes are 100% opaque to prevent algae from stealing your plant's nutrients. For those wondering if it's worth the investment, a farm in Nakhon Pathom using efficient management achieved an ROI, or return on investment, as high as 189% to 234%. From students in Chiang Mai using AI and IoT to control their farms to commercial scales, everything can start from a small corner in your home. And the most exciting innovation on the horizon is clayponics, or 3D printing with clay. It's not just plastic, it's using natural porous materials that provide excellent root aeration and reduce microplastics in our food system. This is the future of sustainable agriculture. To those feeling discouraged, I want to tell you that the secret to starting isn't perfection, it's the courage to try on a small scale. Order your first part or connect your first PVC pipe this weekend. Blend local materials with smart components to create a safe food system. Most importantly, have fun with it. When you see those green shoots rising from your own efforts, you'll know how much it's worth. And that is the true beginning of owning food security for the ones you love most of all. Happy planting, and may your garden grow alongside your family's happiness. See you next time.